Have you ever wondered which of colors your dog can see? Scientists once thought that dogs only see in black and white, but now they understood that they can see colors but not as much as colors as we do. Humans have three types of color receptors in their eyes, so they can see red, blue and green and their combinations. But dogs only have two types of color receptors, so they can only see in blue, yellow or their shades. Okay, they cannot see red or green. So your dog is like a red, green colorblind human person. So next time you're picking a toy or a treat, go for blue or yellow, don't go for red or green. Do you want to know why your cat ignore you? Check out our page.